In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a cash advance with Bank of America, a handy feature when you find yourself in need of some quick cash. Understanding how to navigate this process through a Bank of America ATM can save you time and potentially a few headaches. So let's dive right into it and walk through the necessary steps to help you successfully accomplish this task. First and foremost, you'll need to locate a Bank of America ATM. Most major cities and towns have several ATMs available, often conveniently located at your local Bank of America branch, grocery stores, or shopping centers. You can use the Bank of America mobile app or their website to quickly find the nearest ATM to your location. Once you've found a suitable ATM, it's time to proceed with the cash advance. Approach the ATM and make sure you have your Bank of America credit card ready. Insert your card into the ATM following the on-screen prompts attentively. You'll be asked to enter your personal identification number, or PIN. This number is crucial as it acts as a security measure to ensure that only you have access to your credit card information. So make sure to enter it carefully and discreetly. After successfully entering your PIN, you'll be presented with several options on the ATM screen. Look for and select the option that says Credit Card Advance. This option will allow you to withdraw cash against your credit card's available credit limit. It's important to note that cash advances typically come with fees and higher interest rates than regular purchases, so be sure you're aware of the terms and conditions of your credit agreement. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Take a moment to consider how much cash you need and ensure it's within your card's available limit. Once you have decided, enter the amount into the ATM and the machine will process your request. Keep in mind that some ATMs may have withdrawal limits, so if you need a larger sum, you may need to perform multiple transactions. As your transaction processes, the ATM will dispense the cash you requested along with a receipt detailing your transaction. Be sure to collect both items before walking away from the machine. Review the receipt carefully, noting any fees that may have been applied to ensure everything aligns with your expectations. It's a good practice to keep this receipt for your records, should there be any queries regarding the transaction at a later date. And there you have it. You've successfully completed a cash advance from a Bank of America ATM. Just remember, while cash advances can be incredibly useful, it's wise to use them judiciously due to the associated costs. Thank you for tuning in today, and hopefully you feel more confident navigating through a Bank of America cash advance now.